Hi, guys. I hope you guys all had a great weekend. We're going to go ahead and do our next reading lesson for today. We are going to be using the same story, Cats. We're going to do day 4 and day 5 this week. And then on Thursday, I'll probably just have you listen to a story through YouTube and answer some comprehension questions over for reading. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you so you can see the story. Okay. All right. So we are on week 1, day 4. Okay, so we're to start out, let's go through what our sight words are. Our first sight word is went. W-E-N-T, went. W-E-N-T, went. Can you look through the story and see if you can find the word went anywhere in the story? Okay, there it is in the second sentence. Our next sight word is he. H-E, he. H-E, he. You look through our story and see if you can find the word he. I believe it's in there 3 different times. Okay, and there they are. Our next sight word is out. O-U-T, out. O-U-T, out. Okay, see if you can find that word in our story. I think it's in there twice if I found them all. Okay, and there they are up there at the beginning. And then our last sight word for today is ran. R-A-N, ran. R-A-N, ran. Okay, look through your story and see if you can find the word ran. Okay, and there it is. Okay, our first decodable word. I'm going to move my screen back a little bit so you can see my arm. Okay, we're going to sound them out. Remember, we do the first letter sound here, middle on our elbow, and the last sound on our wrist. Okay, so we have b, a, t, b, a, t, b, a, t, bat, b, a, t, bat. Do you see the word bat anywhere in our story? Okay, I do not think it's in there, so I'll go ahead and cross that one out. Our next word is, okay, we have a blend again. So we have the SL, which makes sl together. So we have sl, ip, sl, ip, sl, ip. So we have slip, slip. Can you find the word slip anywhere in our story? It's up there at the beginning. Okay, our next decodable word. Okay, so we have k, a, t, k, a, t, cat, k, a, t, cat. Can you find the word cat anywhere in our story? I believe it's just in there one time. There it is. Okay, our last decodable word has another blend. It has the CL blend, which makes the cl sound. So we have cl, ip, cl, ip, clip, cl, ip, clip. Can you find the word clip anywhere in our story? Okay, it is not in there, so go ahead and cross that one out. Okay, we're gonna do an echo read. I'm gonna read a line and I want you to read it back to me. So it says, Bob, did he slip out? I went out. I clapped my hands. I saw a scared cat. I said, Bob, is that you? He ran to me. He is back. Okay, so we earned our first smiley face. Okay, now I'm gonna leave some blanks in the sentences and I want you to fill in the words that I'm leaving out. Okay, so first our title is Bob. Did he out? I went. I clapped hands. I saw a scared. Bob, is that he to me. He back. Okay, so we earned our second smiley face. Now I want you to do a whisper read to yourself, or you can read it to someone near you. Okay, I'm going to give you a minute to go ahead and do that. Okay, so we earned our last smiley face. Okay, for our comprehension, we're doing the retelling of the story. So we got to think about what happened at the beginning, the middle, and the end. So if we look back on our story, it says, Bob, did he slip out? I went out. I clapped my hands. I saw a scared cat. I said, Bob, is that you? He ran to me. He is back. So at the beginning of the story, what is going on? It looks like Bob slipped out of the door, okay? And then in the middle of the story, he goes out and sees that a scared cat. So the middle is that there is a scared cat. And at the end, after he claps his hands, the cat runs back. Okay, so the beginning is the cat slipped out. The middle is he claps his hands and sees a scared cat. And the end is the cat ran back. Okay, I'm going to have some comprehension questions for you on the quiz to answer about the beginning, middle, and end so that I know that you watched the lesson. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow.